The meditation I'm sharing with you today is from a Zen Buddhist tradition. It's a breath awareness practice where I'll gently guide you through bringing your focus on your breath as you inhale and releasing the focus as you exhale. This is a very good practice for training the brain to have focus when we want it, but more importantly, to let go when we need to let go of harmful thoughts, nagging emotions, unhelpful loops. So take a moment to find a comfortable seat, any way that you can stay comfortably for the next 8 to 9 minutes or so. Take any last minute wiggles you need to get comfortable. When you're ready, set a little intent of giving yourself this time today. All we're doing right now is just bringing awareness to how it feels to sit with our eyes closed. Begin to take notice of the thoughts in your mind, just noticing, not engaging with them. See that they are there, accept them, and as they come up, let them simply float by. Begin to bring awareness to your own breath, just watching it as you inhale and exhale, releasing the need to control the breathing. Just let it happen and observe it. And I'm going to invite you now to bring your focus to any sensations you feel on your inhale. This could be a slight current of air at the tip of your nostrils, maybe something you feel in your palate or the back of your throat. It may feel like a sensation in your lungs as they fill up. Take a moment and find some part of that inhale to bring your focus to. When you found a focal point, go ahead and take a gentle breath in and bring your focus to that sensation. And as you exhale, release the mental focus. I know it sounds strange, but we can think of nothing in that moment. And on the inhale, we again bring our focus to our sensation. Exhale, let go of the focus, enjoy the break. Inhale, bringing your focus to that subtle sensation. Exhale, release the focus. Enjoy the rest. Enjoy the space in between the work. If you're finding some invasive thoughts coming in, that's okay. That's very normal. Something you can try when you're trying to take that rest and you're having a thought instead is to label it. Just say to yourself, thinking, thinking, and then return your focus to your inhale. And as you exhale, give yourself the break, let go. There's no work in the space in between, it's just release. Continue this practice, focusing on your subtle breath with the inhale and release the focus on the exhale. There's no wrong way to do this. Know that whatever you're doing right now, you're doing great. Continue to bring a soft and gentle focus to the sensations of your inhale and an easy release, releasing your focus on the exhale. Don't worry if this is difficult, it will take time. And if you have a bunch of thoughts creeping in, just say to yourself, thinking, thinking. Return your focus to the inhale. Sometimes it's the space in between the work where we get the most growth. Let yourself have that mental release, thinking of nothing on the exhale. We'll take a last few rounds together, focusing on the sensations of our inhale, releasing all thought, all focus, all work on the exhale. Gentle focus and clarity on the inhale. Release, space, ease, comfort on the exhale. Go ahead and start to bring a little movement to your fingers, your wrists, maybe your toes and your ankles. Take a few deep breaths in and out, preparing your body to come out of your meditation. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation today. Thank you for joining me.